Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make your very own DIY sponge water bomb? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and today I'm going to teach you how to make some DIY water bombs, which is very easy to do considering if you've got obviously the balloon water bombs, well, one, they're going to pop and then that's it, and two, you've then got to pick up the mess of all those plastic balloons all over the place. This is a really simple thing, and you'll find that actually a lot of people are putting it out there about, this is more eco-friendly and reusable, and they are, because all you need is simply a sponge and some elastic bands and some scissors. That's it. Some people obviously, instead of rubber bands, they use a string or twine or things like that to bind them together, but I'm using rubber bands. Easy to do. First of all, with your sponge, you're going to cut it. You want them to be the same size throughout. And then when you've cut up your sponge into tiny little strips and pieces of roughly about the same size and width, then you're going to tie them together to create your water bomb. And there we are. All you then simply have to do is put it in a bucket of water, obviously it then gets wet, and then throw it. And then guess what? Once it's dry, you just need to put it in another bucket of water and boom. It's a really simple way of doing this. It's really easy, and also you can reuse them afterwards. So all you have to do is just squish out any water and boom, there we go. You've got yourself a DIY, do-it-yourself, a sponge bomb. No square pants. But there we are. If you like this video, then obviously give it a thumbs up and share it around. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.